In India, millions of millennials there have taken to stock trading during the pandemic. Active investor accounts rose by a record 10.4 million last year, according to data from the country's two main depositories. Joining us now is Bloomberg's Ranajoy Mazumdar in Mumbai. Hi, Ranajoy. Is this just part of the greater global trend for more retail trading? Why are millennials in India getting into it too?
So what we're seeing is kind of similar to what happened in a lot of other countries where millennials had more spare time, a lot of the times more disposable cash as well during last year's lockdowns. What's interesting to see is that while compared to earlier generations, which largely saw the stock market as full of scams and little better than gambling in India, today's millennials are much more favorable and more inclined to invest in stocks than a lot of the traditional options like real estate or gold.
So, what's the difference between now and previous cycles when India did see that retail investing boom?
So the big difference this time around is technology. The spread of smartphones and super cheap mobile data has made it possible for many people in smaller towns and cities to trade in stocks, which was just not possible even something like 3 years ago. The other side of things is also regulatory changes that have made it much harder for brokers to do any sorts of scams or to cheat people. And that's also created a better impression about the stock market with younger investors.
And is this trend something that will be long lasting, or is this just temporary?
So India continued to add a record number of investor accounts this January, which was long after the end of last year's lockdowns. We still need to see how many people stick it out through the next big stock market crash. But what you hear anecdotally about investors from smaller towns is that they really prefer to get into the market when things are down. So we'll just have to see.